face right here. And the back, the spine will be moving a lot. Right there, see the heartbeat, bang, bang, bang.
Does he look cute?
Yeah.
Can you tell?
Well, they're always cute. But the question is that the face-wise is not very good. Because what happened, number one, the face is inside the bones. You don't see it so well. So you see pretty low already. I couldn't even barely getting around the head. We see only the scrotum. See 50% of it. Tell you. And then I change it a little bit, maybe.
The big thing?
Yeah, maybe this is the scrotum. You see the testes, one. But the question is, I need the angle. Ooh.
He's moving.
Oh, yes, he can. He have to move out these two. I mean the limbs. I can able to see it because what happened is, yeah, unfortunately. It's not going to be helpful. See right there. You see, still right there, but it's not getting better. I think because the knee, the lower leg,